Hey everyone, I'm Keith at 2-Bit Breaks, and with me is my little bit Owen. Say hi, Owen.
Hi.
Today we're going to be breaking 2 mega boxes of the 21-22 Mosaic Soccer. Let's get into it. Start with one, and I'll break a couple. I'll open a couple. Owen will open a couple, and we'll go into the other box.
Just hoping we get something good. The last box was kind of a bust.
Yeah, let's see. Premier League base silver, Mosaic, Mosaic Genesis, reactive golds, gold fluorescent numbered to 10, autographs numbered to 25, gold fluorescence numbered to 25, Will to Win Mosaic Gold. So lots of good stuff on there. You can pause it if you want, but we're going to start breaking. I think this is our 10th or 11th break together. Let's see. All right, so we got 6 packs. Each pack has 14 cards. That is a lot. Again, it's Panini, so there's going to be a decent amount of base, like usual. All right, Gay's rookie, Broad, Malpe. I'll try to work on a lighting because these are really shiny. So there you go, your boy, Conor Gallagher, Shelby, Kaya, Diaz, Rico Henry, Wills, Breakaway, SR, James Ward-Prowse on the gold Mosaic, and Kai Havertz on the silver. Sun, Iwobi, Basuma, Firmino, Dallas, Redmond, King, Mason Mount, Neil Smith-Rowe,
I'm going to miss him.
Marty, Calvert-Lewin. Nice. Thought this was numbered. Ivan Toney on the breakaway, Ben Chilwell, and Martin Dubravka on the gold. That's the breakaway gold. Not the breakaway. One of the gold parallels. Yeah. They have the special gold cards in here too. Reactive gold, that's what they are, the reactive golds. You can see they've got like a burst behind them. Almiron, Rashford, Maurice, Gray, Sadio Mane, Tarkowski, Foden, Anderson on the hollow rookie card, Kevin De Bruyne on the Will to Win, Chalobah rookie, and Wilfred Zaha, who now is playing for Charlotte. Yeah, I'll do this box and you do the next box. Okay. Jadon Sancho, Alexander, Iwobi, Basuma, Neal, guys we've forgotten, De Bruyne, Onyeka, Tielemans, Fornals, Calvin Phillips on the Will to Win Mosaic, Jamie Vardy on the Give and Go, and then 2 gold reactives.
You got a lot of golds.
Yeah.
When you get golds, you're like, oh my goodness, I got a gold. It's numbered to 10.
I know.
You're just like, oh cool, I got a gold.
Yeah, not many numbers in here. Let's see. Dunk, Harvey Elliott's rookie, Mings, Joe Linton, Elanga rookie, Harry Kane, Ivan Toney rookie, Barnes, Benrahma, João Pedro rookie, Kai Havertz, Ruben Neves on the Mosaic give and go. Aaron Ramsdale and Clutch. Reactive gold. Last pack. Redmond, Dunk, Harvey Elliott, Mings, Joe Linton, Alanga, Randy, Conga, rookie, Rodri, Dennis, Charleston on the will to win, Bowen on the gold reactive, and John McGinn. Not too bad. Alright, you go from this one, I'm going to face the back. Trash. I'll sleeve some of these up.
Let's see if we can get something good.
No numbered.
And the numbering is really weird.
Yeah, Mosaic's not my favorite card series. Just for the fact that there's, I don't know, there's not very many numbered cards. So, not a huge fan.
Max Aarons over Cole Palmer, rookie. Nice one. Tamiyasu, Daka, Connor Cody, Jack Harrison, Sanchez, Simicast, Eze, Will to Win, Luke Thomas. Another Will to Win, Leicester City, Tellins, Ashley Barnes, and Shelby on the gold mosaic. For reactive. Timo Werner, Morton Odegaard, Schmeichel, Rice, Nathan Collins, Romain, Almiron, Rashford, Maurice, Gray, not even going to count. I'll mess it up. Nelson Snyder on the breakaway, Ben Rama on the gold reactive, and Hugo Lloris on the silver reactive.
That's just a silver mosaic, I think.
Oh.
The reactive has that like burst in the background.
Yeah, it's confusing. There's a Sa, Ederson, two blues back to back. Thomas Partey, Billy Gilmore, Young, Lukaku, Mane, Gay, Parad, Mope, Conte. Nice Sadio Mane breakaway. It's a nice one. Numbered? Not numbered. Joao Pedro and Jordan Sancho. So 3 more packs left. Nothing huge so far. A couple of gold reactives, some silver mosaic. Nice breakaways, Will to Wins. Still nothing huge. Sar, Christian Pulisic, Chang, Fabianski, Lucas Luiz, Virgil van Dijk, Edward, Gelhart, Jackie Rice, Harry Kane on the breakaway, Phil Foden, and Neil Mope on the gold reactive.
Lots of golds, gold reactives, and parallels, inserts.
Don't worry, you're not hearing that wrong. Yes, he did say a lot of golds.
Yeah, just
Something that you'll never hear again. Mr. Royale, Calvert Lewin, Danny Ings, Trent, Michael Olise. We got one. Give and Go, Pablo Fornals. Hey, Conor Gallagher on the golden reactive. Is that the one?
sure.
Yay. And Josh Brownhill on the silver mosaic.
All right, last pack.
Last pack. Come on, last pack magic. Hopefully in order. Take a number though. Take anything that's worth about $2. Gabriel Jesus, Brian and Brundle on his rookie. Nice one. Michael Antonio, Roja, Mohamed Salah, Joakim Anderson, Sean Longstaff, Harry Maguire, the best goal scorer of all time. Regulon, Ivan Toney, and Ivan Khan.
All right. Well, no big hits. Nothing crazy. Lots of inserts. Lots of the gold reactives, but nothing overly crazy on these two boxes. And like I said, Mosaic's not my favorite. And they're really not known for their super fantastic cards. And so, anyway, that has been a little bit of a break for us. It was 2 mega boxes of the 21-22 FIFA EPL, the English Premier League. So if you like this video, please click the like button. If you're not yet subscribed, click that subscribe button and click that bell. That way you get notified when we do put out a new video. We put out a new video every Tuesday, and our 2-Bit Tuesday. So join us again next week. Thank you for stopping by. Come again soon. Take care.